In this video, we are going to be looking at understanding words like certain, probable, unlikely, and impossible. So if you have a problem like this one that says, if you select a marble without looking, how likely is it that you will pick a black one? So the first thing you have to do is count all the marbles to know how many you have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 marbles in total. Now let's count the black ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 black marbles. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4 purple marbles. We have more black marbles than we do purple marbles. So that means it is probable that we will pick a black marble. But what would it look like to be certain, unlikely, or impossible? So this is how certain would look like. Because all the marbles are black, we are certain that we will pick one. This is how unlikely would look. Because there are so many purple ones and only 2 black ones, it is unlikely that we would pick black. Then, impossible to pick a black in this case because there are no black marbles, so it is impossible.